In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted page. If you've ever deleted a OneNote page and felt that sinking feeling afterward, don't worry. OneNote keeps a safety net called the Notebook Recycle Bin, sometimes labeled deleted notes, and that's exactly where we're headed. Start by opening the notebook where the page originally lived. It's important to be in the correct notebook because the recycle bin is specific to each notebook, not a global list for all of them. With the notebook open, look along the top of the app for the View tab. In some versions of OneNote, you might see a History tab instead. Either way, you're looking for the option called Deleted Notes or Notebook Recycle Bin. Click that. You're now in the holding area where removed pages and sections are temporarily stored before they're permanently purged. Take a moment to browse through the list. You'll typically see pages grouped by the section they came from, often with timestamps or previews to help you identify the right one. If you remember roughly when you deleted it or what section it belonged to, use that context to zero in quickly. Don't worry about opening a page to confirm. It won't restore it automatically. You're simply checking that it's the content you want back. Once you've found the page you want to bring back, right-click it. From the menu that appears, choose Move or Copy. This is the key action that returns the page to your notebook. Move will take it out of the recycle bin and place it where you choose. Copy will leave a copy in the recycle bin and send a duplicate to your destination, which can be useful if you want an extra layer of safety while you review the content. After choosing Move or Copy, you'll see a list of your notebooks and their sections. Expand the notebook if needed, then pick the destination section where the page should live. If you remember the original section, select that. If you'd prefer to review it first, send it to a temporary section so it's easy to find. Confirm your choice, and OneNote will place the page there immediately. Head back to that destination section to make sure everything looks right. Your text, images, and attachments should be intact. If you don't see the page right away, give it a second to sync, especially if you're working across devices. And that's it. Your deleted page is restored and ready to use again.